Hi everyone, it's Esosa here. Today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious Alfredo pasta. It is tasty, creamy, and incredibly satisfying. In a pot, I will add some water. Bring water to a boil. For this recipe, I am using tagliatelle. Feel free to use any pasta of your choice. I will add my pasta. I will cook that for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, guys, I'll strain using a strainer. Set aside. In a pot, I will add some vegetable oil. Add 900 grams of chicken breast. Stir fry for 20 minutes. First, I'll go in with some black pepper, some onion powder, some fresh garlic and ginger, seasoning cube, salt. Just so you know, I stir fry my chicken breast on a very low heat for 20 minutes because I do not want it to get burnt. As you can see, guys, it's pretty much cooked now. I'll remove the meat and set aside. In the pot, I will add 2 spoonfuls of salted butter. You can use unsalted butter. I'll go in with some chopped onions, some chopped garlic. I'll stir fry for 15 minutes. I'll go in with some heavy cream. If you don't have heavy cream, you can use liquid milk and add some all-purpose flour to thicken it. I will stir that nicely until well combined. Next, I'll go in with some chicken broth. 1 seasoning cube, and some oregano seasoning. Next, I will add some grated cheese. I will stir that nicely until well combined. Next, I will add the parboiled pasta. I'll stir that nicely until well combined. Next, I'll go in with some chopped parsley. And then add the chicken breast. Just look at that, guys, very creamy. This right here is incredibly satisfying, tasted amazing. My chicken Alfredo pasta is ready. Please, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, where have you been? I've been looking for you. Hit the subscribe button already and join the family. Okay. Thank you for doing that. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.